Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A soldering station is an essential tool for anyone involved in electronics assembly, repair, and hobbyist projects. Unlike traditional soldering irons, soldering stations offer enhanced control, precision, and versatility, making them a preferred choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. These stations typically consist of a soldering iron, a power unit, and a holder, often featuring adjustable temperature settings, digital displays, and various interchangeable tips. With advancements in technology, modern soldering stations provide superior performance, ensuring clean, reliable solder joints and minimizing the risk of damage to sensitive electronic components. Whether you're working on intricate circuit boards, repairing delicate devices, or creating custom electronics projects, a high-quality soldering station can significantly improve your efficiency and results. Number 5. Yihua 938BD2 Soldering Station. The Yihua 938BD2 soldering station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for both professionals and hobbyists. This soldering station combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron, offering a comprehensive solution for various soldering tasks. The Yihua 938BD2 soldering station is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and reliable tool for various soldering tasks. Its combination of a high-performance hot air gun and a precise soldering iron makes it suitable for professional use in demanding projects. With its user-friendly design and robust construction, this soldering station offers great value for money and is a solid addition to any electronics workshop. Number 4. Yarboly 8898 Soldering Station. The Yarboly 8898 soldering station is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both professional and hobbyist use. It features a combination of a hot air gun and a soldering iron, making it a comprehensive solution for various soldering and desoldering tasks. The Yarboly 8898 soldering station is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and versatile soldering tool. Its combination of a powerful hot air gun and a precise soldering iron makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple soldering tasks to complex desoldering operations. The temperature stability and ergonomic design enhance its usability, making it a valuable addition to any electronics workbench. Despite a slight learning curve, its performance and build quality make it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 3. JCD 8586D Soldering Station. The JCD 8586D soldering station is a versatile tool designed for both professional and hobbyist use. This 3-in-1 station includes a soldering iron, hot air welding station, and a BGA rework station, making it a comprehensive solution for a variety of soldering needs. The JCD 8586D soldering station is an excellent choice for those seeking a multifunctional tool that combines efficiency, versatility, and durability. Whether you are a professional in need of a reliable workhorse or a hobbyist looking to upgrade your equipment, the 8586D delivers outstanding performance across its various functions. Its user-friendly design and robust build quality make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 2. Lefavor 8586 Soldering Station. The Lefavor 8586 soldering station is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. Combining a soldering iron and a heat gun in one compact unit, it offers great value and functionality for various soldering and desoldering tasks. Here's a detailed look at its features and performance. The Lefavor 8586 soldering station is a well-rounded tool that offers excellent value for its price. Its combination of a soldering iron and heat gun, along with features like adjustable temperature control, fast heating, and sturdy design, make it a great choice for both DE enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you are working on electronics repair, DE projects, or industrial applications, this soldering station is a reliable companion. Number 1. Yarboly 8898 Soldering Station. The Yarboly 8898 soldering station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for both professional and hobbyist use. It features a powerful hot air gun and a reliable soldering iron, making it suitable for various soldering and desoldering tasks. The Yarboly 8898 soldering station is a reliable and efficient tool suitable for a wide range of soldering and desoldering tasks. Its powerful hot air gun and versatile soldering iron make it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. With precise temperature control, quiet operation, and a durable design, the Yarboly 8898 offers excellent value for its price. Thanks for watching this video.